Hello everyone, welcome back to the Money Eyes channel. Today I'm going to be adding the cover to my planner. I used the Documented by Jess Diary 2. I absolutely love her planners, her thought out designs and the flow of everything. It just works for me. So what I want to do, I actually add the covers into my Noteful app because I might want to use it for another planner, and I just like to have them ready in hand. So what I did was went ahead and imported the PDF of each cover into Noteful, and I'm going to use the black version because this planner actually comes in a leopard and a floral version as well. And I was going to use the floral. I started using the floral. I kind of played around with the leopard one, but I ultimately went ahead and used the black one because I can add whatever cover I want to it. And I think the background designs that actually come with the planner actually make my app a little bit more glitchy. So I said that I would just add in the elements of whatever planner I would choose to into the black one as I go, just to make sure and pay attention. In my last planner, I don't know if you guys, I'd have to see if I can go back and find the actual video, but the floral background kind of had lines in it, and for a long time I thought that it was just a part of the design, but it's not. It is, I think it's a quality thing, because if I zoom in a lot, it'll clear up. If I zoom out a lot, it'll clear up. But once it's like in a fit, those lines show up and it takes away the quality of design. But it seems to be better since I started doing it the way that I'm doing it, as far as using the black one with the less designs in it and then incorporating the other pieces of the other planners as I choose to. So here I'm just going to show you guys how I do my templates. I'm gonna have to do a video on that actually, but I actually go into whatever planner I'm using and get their blank page, just because I like to have the navigation buttons already into the image, and I take that, export that one page out, put it in Keynote, and since it's saved to my device, whatever device I'm using, or in my cloud, I can just take that blank piece, put it inside of Keynote, and build a template that actually fits the page, because I was doing screenshots, but then the screenshots are kind of blurry a little bit, so I wanted my designs to be more crisp. So I did a little researching and I was like, oh, I could just do it like this. So that's what I started doing. So I did add 3 different templates today. It was a monthly meal planner. It's what I use to plan my dinner meals for the month. Just a general idea. I have to do a video on that. And I made a social media tracker, just a version that I'm testing out to see if it's going to work for me or not, and a task tracker, which I'm going to use this to track my daily cleaning tasks. I made this template because in her Diary 1 PDF, she had the task tracker as a habit tracker, and I was thinking, I'm like, oh, this probably will work as a cleaning tracker. So this is just me testing and see if it's working out. Like, I'm not really set in stone on how I'm going to be doing things, so I'm just kind of tracking things and taking notes and seeing what I like, what I don't like, what I want to add, what's okay and what may need to change, what can stay the same, anything new I might want to add. I'm always looking around to see different ideas on things. So if anybody has any ideas on how they keep up with their cleaning schedules inside of GoodNotes, I would like that. You can leave it in the comments. I'm open for all and any suggestions right now. I'm more effective on paper, but I'm trying to transfer everything into my Noteful app, my digital planner, just so that I can have it on hand wherever I'm at. Because sometimes, if you're in the bathroom cleaning up, you can't really have free hands to go and get your notebook out or your planner or whatever you use to mark something off. So just finds it helpful. I always have my phone with me. It's on the sink in my pocket somewhere, so I can just open up Noteful on my phone, go to my cleaning schedule, and see actually what's on the list for today, or stuff like that. So I'm gonna let you guys watch for a second and I will be back. Okay, so now that I have everything set up, I did go ahead and start to link all the pages that I added. So what I'm going to do right here is type in the title of all of the pages that I just added in and line those up the way that I want them, and I will be hyperlinking these to the actual template. So duplicate all three, line them up the way I want them, and then I'm going to use the shape tool and put a rectangle over each one of them. And then I'm going to link them to the corresponding number inside the app, just so that once I do go to my template catalog, they're already lined up. I don't have to go and search for them or anything like that. It just saves time. Yes, in the beginning, it might take a little second to get everything all lined up and get the numbers and everything right, but it'll be well worth it on the journey because we have a full year in this planner. So if you set something up initially, then you actually overall save time, because now moving forward, this is just going to be locked in, set in place, and you're good to go. Another thing that I like to do, sometimes it's kind of hard to, but a lot of the times there are creators that will give you the fonts and all the things that they use to create their planner so that you can make it cohesive. Like you want your fonts matching. When you're a serious digital planner, you want it to look like you actually purchased it this way, just because it just looks more professional and clean. Well, at least for me, I can't speak for everybody else, but I like it to look the same. So the font that I'm using actually, I think, is the exact same font that was used to create the planner, which is Avenir Next Condensed, which I absolutely love this font. Like, I tried so many other fonts, and this one is just like so clean and classy at the same time. Like I just like clean stuff, editorial, negative space. Like I just love that, and this font just gives, it's just giving all of that. So I was so happy that I figured out the font that was being used here, because now it just looks like this is the template catalog. Like I bought it like this. So yeah, the easiest way to do it, especially if you have your pages lined up, is make one hyperlink, get that page number, link that page once everything is set up. And I do turn my hyperlinks transparent just so you can't see the shape over it. It just lights up when you touch it, the hyperlink blue. And then once you do that, you take that one, you duplicate it, and you fit it over each one so that when you go to link the next two pages, that those pages fall close to the page that you just linked, if that makes sense. So you want to scroll to find the page number, which I think you'll see in this when I go ahead and start to link the other pages. Like I just seen that was like the best way that I saw. I mean, I've heard it from other digital planners. This is the way they do it, and yeah. So this is what I'm doing right now. I am going in and I'm going to go ahead and link all these pages, and I will be back with you guys in a second. Another thing, the layers. The reason why I will not leave Noteful is the layers. This is a new planner, so I have forgot that I didn't set up my layers. So I do like to have one that is just a locked background for anything that I just know I'm just going to leave there. And then another layer is for hyperlinks. So I can lock those, turn those on, make sure that they do not move, because like I said, once you turn things transparent, you can't see what's on the screen, and it's going to be pretty hard to find them if you don't make sure everything's in the right place. So definitely utilize the layers. Another layer that I add, it's not in this video, is locked dates. A lot of the planners that I like to use are undated most of the time because I like to reuse them. I might buy one for that year, and then the next year I might like, oh, I like this planner, so I'm going to use the undated version of this, which I love when people do that, give you the undated version of these planners, which documented by Jess. Hers are undated. I think there was a documented one that was dated, but then moving forward, like the diary and the diary 2, I think that they are undated, which I love it because like I did a video of how to date them really fast. But I like to put all the locked dates on its own layer inside of Noteful, because like I said, when you get to moving things around, you don't mess around and you move the number and you don't realize it, and now you have a number that's not lined up with everything, and the headache that it's going to be to try to get everything lined back up. So just make sure when you do the layers that you just do the layers up front, make sure everything's locked in so you don't have to go back and fix it. The link that I put in the top of the corner, her planners. This is another thing I want to say, her planners. I absolutely love this. I used a planner for a while and I just found out that this is what she does. So in all of the corners of all the templates, and I think on every other page except for the template catalog page, if you hold and press, there's a hyperlink in the top top right corner, and it takes you to the template catalog. Absolutely genius. Like I love that. I never would have thought to do that. So yeah, round of applause for Jess. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and any questions, anybody has any suggestions, go ahead and leave those in the comments, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Thank you.